Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. You may remember 3 days before I said when the Nifty crosses 23,200, that technically Nifty is becoming long. But in fact, I myself was not convinced because just two trading session Nifty shot up 900 points. And then later that day I said, if any fall towards 23,200 is definitely a buying opportunity. So this time technical worked perfectly. So the market shot up. What technical we follow and how to take position, how to take high risk position, how to take low risk position. So all that we teach in our workshop. So next week, Saturday, Sunday, I'm coming to Mumbai. So if you're interested, you may go to the site workshop.prsundar.com or you can call our office. The numbers will be given in the description. So enough talking about myself. So now let us come back to the market and look at the Bank Nifty. Just 6-7 trading session, the Bank Nifty has shot up more than 5,000 points. Today, at the highest point, the Bank Nifty is just only 100-150 points away from the all-time high. Just 1 week, 10 days before, how bearish was the market, what changed in the last 1 week, nobody knows. But IT stocks are in trouble only. So IT stocks, today Wipro result was not good. So because of that, IT stocks came under selling pressure. But banking stocks, it was an extraordinary, right? Yesterday it went more than 1,000 point higher. Today around 1,300, 1,400 point higher, right? I think the Infosys results have come. I think so. The results, it doesn't seem to be good. But anyway, nobody is expecting good results from IT stocks. So just now I'm reading the headline news. Profit slips 12%, but the revenue climbs 8%. The revenue is going higher, but the profit is coming down. But they are announcing a good dividend. But anyway, they will announce good dividends. Why they announce a good dividend? Because, most of this dividend will be going to Tata Sons. And they will be pumping in other companies of Tata. So TCS is the cash cow for Tata Group, right? So therefore, there will always be liberal dividend, right? So now, if you look at the today's high, it's exactly 2 points higher than the previous high. And I said last time, 23,500 is supposed to be a resistance for today. I said even for this month, that means we have 4 more trading sessions. So I said 23,869. That was the recent high. From there, Nifty fell 23,869. And then Nifty fell more than 2,000 points because of this Trump in a matter of few days. In the next few days, it has equally shot up. And today, the day's high is exactly 23,871, 2 points higher than the last high. So now the question is, 100% retracement has already happened. If the trend continues, but this is a brutal rally, we can say. Those who sold call options, they were struggling a lot. But logically, the next resistance is only at 24,800. So if you can remember, first time last October when the market fell from 26,300 to 23,300, it retraced to 24,800. Again, it fell. Right? So there is another 1,000 point rally is possible. And all depends upon, of course, Infosys result has not been good. But HDFC Bank, okay, let me check the ADR price. Okay, because I was having another meeting. So that's why I'm shooting this later. Yeah. So Infosys ADR is down by 4%. Right? So hopefully that will cushion. But people will be focusing more on HDFC Bank result and ICICI Bank result. So incidentally, today, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank hit fresh all-time high. So that means ahead of the results, people were covering the shorts left, right, and center. Right? So anyway, we will see what is going to happen on Monday morning. So we have 3 days weekend. But today it is such a trending day. From day's low, Nifty has shot up almost 550 points. So I'm sure intraday players would have lost heavily. Even as a positional trader, I lost a lot of money. Then at some point of time, I cut all the call options and I sold only put options to manage the loss. So that's why I was able to come out, with some minor profit, not a major one. So anyway, so all is well that ends well. That is what I've been saying you. Now nobody will trust Trump anymore. So there is no Trump effect. And then, the market's likely to continue to do well, provided the corporate results are good. So anyway, corporate results, we will wait for Saturday. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.